When celebrating a promotion, a raise, getting married, being engaged, birthday, anniversary, what have you, where does everyone want to go to eat? Steakhouse. We're about to start this new series, the Steakhouse series. Now, I didn't want to start out by making a steak, because everyone can make a steak, but what else do you eat when you go out to a steakhouse? Yes, you have Caesar salad, or a piece of chocolate cake, or mac and cheese, or mashed potatoes, whipped potatoes, potato puree, whatever you want to call them. But what about a wedge salad? Let's start out this video by making the blue cheese dressing. 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of mint, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 8 ounces of blue cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. We're going to start by adding our mayonnaise to our bowl, and then we're going to whisk in the buttermilk and the sour cream just to combine. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder and our onion powder. We're going to mix that to combine. Now take your chef's knife and we're going to chiffonade and chop some parsley. Chiffonade is going to be for the garnish on top of the salad. Chopped parsley is going to be for the dressing. Now we're going to finally mince our chives and our mint. For the mint, it's best to stack all the leaves on top of each other and then to slice it as few times as possible. The more you chop the mint, the browner it will be, and you want this to be as green as possible. And we're going to freshly squeeze in some lemon juice. Grate or crumble your blue cheese and then add it into the sauce. Season the dressing with salt and pepper. For the red onion, we're going to cut off the top and bottom and then split it in half, removing the peels and slicing on a mandolin as thin as possible. After that, we're going to dip it in some ice water and drain it on paper towels. Now it's time for that bacon, and we have some thick bacon. I'm talking at least 3 C's. We're going to cut this bacon into some chunky little lardons. First, you're going to want to cut it into slabs, remove the skin portion, and then cut the slabs in half, and then cut them down into lardons. Take a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, add in your bacon lardons, and let them fry until crisp. Drain the lardons on paper towels and then save your bacon fat for another use. Now we're going to cut some cherry tomatoes in half, and if they're a little bit too big, into quarters. Remove the yolk from the white of the egg. Now we're going to trim the top and bottom off the baby iceberg lettuce and remove any wilted leaves. To build the wedge, we're first going to layer on our blue cheese dressing. Then our egg whites and egg yolks. Now we'll add on our tomatoes. Some cubed blue cheese. Add on our shaved red onion and our bacon lardons. Now we're going to give it some parsley chiffonade on top, and then we'll hit it with some black pepper. Transfer the salad over to a clean plate, and now all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and enjoy your wedge salad. That's it, the wedge salad done and dusted. What can I say about the salad? Creamy eggs from using the microplane, nice crispy thick cut bacon. You got the nice punch of the onion, the blue cheese, nice and creamy, that crispy baby iceberg lettuce. If you can't find baby iceberg, normal iceberg works fine. That dressing, amazing. If you leave out the blue cheese at the end, it's just ranch. The best ranch you'll ever have in your life. I'm really excited to start this new series. Steakhouse is where I've been for the last 5 years. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited for this. I think I can be a little bit more focused on what I'm doing instead of just jumping from thing to thing. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any ideas, suggestions from a steakhouse. I'll get to steaks soon enough. Tell me about your favorite steakhouse. I'd like to know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.